After watching the math video on partial quotient, you're going to be doing this activity, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So partial quotient is kind of like when we were doing partial product multiplication, except it's the other way around. And so as you noticed in the video, the very first problem here is 45 divided by 3. And so you're going to put 3 on the outside and 45 on the inside here. This is what you're dividing. This is called the dividend, and this is called the divisor. And up on top is where we're going to put the answer, which is called the quotient. And that's why it's called partial quotient problem. All right, and so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you try starting with tens or 100s. And because our dividend is only 45, it's not in the hundreds, we're going to start with tens. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply 3 times 10. I'll find my pen here. So 3 times 10, and you're going to put 3 times 10 which is 30. And so then you're going to put 30 over here, and you're going to subtract it. Okay, so 5 minus 0 is 5, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So now you can, if you do it by another 10, it's going to be 30 again. So you can't do that because you only have 15 left. So thinking about how many 3's go into 15, I can think to myself, 3 times 5 equals 15. So now I have a 5 3 times 5 is 15. I'm making it too big. And when I subtract that out, I get 0. Okay, so now adding it up, I'm only going to add up what I multiplied by. So 10 plus 5 equals 15, and that's my answer, my quotient. Remember, you can come to office hours if you're having a hard time figuring this out. I would be happy to go through it with you. Just remember to start with tens and multiply 10 by your divisor, which is 3 here. So looking at the rest of them, here's 86 divided by 7. 73 divided by 6. And then here's a story problem. Sam has 85 prize tickets. If one marble costs 7 tickets, how many marbles can he buy? So you have 85 prize tickets. That's in the dividend. That's what you're dividing. And the divisor is 7 tickets. And so you would divide it out the same way.